Hi guys, we're out with the DJI AVATA, and I think the temperature out here is like -7. We have our gloves on, got our toque on. There's not much snow on the ground. It was snowing this morning, but we didn't get much. It seems north of us and west of us are getting all the snow. Anyways, we're down at the park. We're gonna set up the AVATA and just do a little bit of flying around in this park. Right now, we just want to take a quick walk down to the lake. I know the river has a layer of ice on it, and I'm just curious if there's any ice on the lake yet. I was down for a few days. I think I'm on the upscale, thanks to some lemon and honey and some Buckleys. Oh, it looks like we have lots of activity down here by the lake. Lots of activity down by the lake. Take a look, guys. This is the Canadian geese. And this is a lot of Canadian geese. We have some swans out there. The lake isn't frozen. I see some frozen spots out there. Yeah, I don't think this is Lake Ontario. I don't think she'll get froze right over. But anyways, we're gonna fly the AVATA around here. Maybe we can get some footage of these guys. So let's head over to our bench. Yeah, I think this is as good a spot as any. With this kind of cold, I hope our camera stays functioning. You know, I only got this one pair of gloves on and I'm feeling the cold already. Now, I checked my batteries before I left and the batteries seem kind of low. I didn't charge up anything, but because it's so cold, I just wanted to get out and just do a quick flight. So let's put that down there. Let's get the goggles out. Let's get the controller out. I think we'll just do a little flight around here for now, just for starters, just to get things warmed up.